to eNow. I am Shreya Srivastav and this is your one-stop ultimate destination for all things lifestyle and entertainment. Today we dig deeper into what the Cockroach Janata Party is doing by blending Bollywood tracks to a political movement. We also talk about a surprise around Leighton's next guest, which is also speculation, as well as so much more. Let's dive right in. Now, as the CJP continues its on-ground protest at Jantar Mantar, the party that was born on the internet is using Bollywood tracks, trending Instagram audios, raps, remixes to increase its digital presence as well as capture momentum during on-ground mobilization. In fact, recent videos that are now viral on social media, Gen Z cockroaches have been seen humming the popular Three Idiots track Give Me Some Sunshine while protesting on NEET and education-related issues. Ironically, Sonam Wangchuk, who was partly the inspiration behind Funsuk Wangru or Aamir Khan's character Rancho's philosophy in the movie, is also one of the key faces of the protest. Take a look at this light moment where Three Idiots becomes a reality for just a second. Now, actress and MP Kangana Ranaut has found herself at the centre of fresh speculation after a viral image claimed that she was part of an upcoming episode of Samay Raina's India's Got Latent. The picture quickly sparked curiosity online, with many wondering whether Kangana would be the show's next celebrity guest. However, eagle-eyed fans were quick to spot several clues that cast doubt on the image's authenticity, leading many to believe that it may have been edited or even AI-generated. Now, while Kangana's name continues to fuel online chatter, there is currently no official confirmation from the actress regarding any appearance on the show. For now, it is just one viral image that remains the subject of speculation, while the mystery around the next guest continues. Take a look.
Samay Raina's much-awaited show India's Got Latent Season 2 has finally started streaming, and it is already creating a huge buzz online. The first episode, featuring alpha actresses Alia Bhatt and Sharvari, premiered on Saturday and quickly grabbed everyone's attention. Now, fans are eagerly waiting to know which celebrity will appear in the second episode of the show. Amid all the excitement, a picture has gone viral on social media, sparking a fresh wave of speculation. The viral image shows actress and MP Kangana Ranaut sitting next to Samay Raina on the show's set. As soon as the picture surfaced online, many netizens started claiming that the Queen actress would be making a special appearance in the second episode of India's Got Latent Season 2. The image spread rapidly across social media platforms, leaving fans excited and curious. Many users even began discussing what a Kangana Ranaut episode would look like and whether her appearance could become one of the biggest highlights of the season. However, there is a twist in the story. The viral picture is actually fake. According to several social media users, the image appears to be either AI-generated or edited using a photo editing application. Sharp-eyed netizens were quick to point out some interesting details that exposed the truth behind the viral photo. Many noticed that the thermos and cap placed on the table in front of Kangana were exactly the same ones seen in episode 1 featuring Alia Bhatt and Sharvari. Not only that, Samay Raina is also wearing the same outfit that he wore in the first episode. These clues strongly suggest that the image has been digitally manipulated and does not confirm Kangana's presence on the show. While many fans would love to see Kangana Ranaut on India's Got Latent, there is currently no official confirmation regarding her appearance in any upcoming episode. Meanwhile, the first episode of Season 2 has received mixed reactions from viewers. While some fans enjoyed the episode and praised Samay Raina for bringing back the energy and entertainment that made Season 1 so popular, others felt that certain moments appeared scripted. Some netizens also claimed that Samay took Alia's permission before cracking a joke about his father, leading to further discussions online. Despite the mixed reviews, the numbers tell a different story. The first episode on YouTube managed to cross an impressive 27 million views within just 24 hours of its release, proving that audience interest in the show remains extremely high. For now, fans will have to wait and watch to find out which celebrity joins Samay Raina in episode 2. Interestingly, the show's comeback is significant because last year one episode featuring Ranveer Allahabadia and Apurva Makhija landed in controversy. Furs were filed against them and Samay Raina, following which the show was shut down. Now, after more than a year, India's Got Latent has returned with season 2, and it is once again dominating conversations across social media.
And now to something that's capturing most of the reels on our Instagram feeds, to one of Bollywood's most heartwarming family celebrations. Yes, we're talking about the wedding festivities of Anshula Kapoor and fiancé Rohan Thakkar, which are officially underway. And the Kapoor clan, no doubt, is turning out in full force ahead of their July 6th wedding. The celebrations began with a traditional Mata Ki Chauki and a family blessing ceremony, which was attended by Arjun Kapoor, Janhvi Kapoor, Khushi Kapoor, Boney Kapoor, Shanaya Kapoor, Maheep Kapoor and Sanjay Kapoor, among other family members. Pictures from the festivities show Janhvi and Khushi stepping into bridesmaid duties, while other family members joined in traditional rituals, music, dance and emotional moments with the bride-to-be at the center of it all, Anshula. The celebrations are expected to continue with intimate family gatherings, Sangeet functions and traditional ceremonies in the days leading up to the wedding. What everybody is discussing is who will be the guest list.
Several unseen pictures and videos from Anshula Kapoor and Rohan Thakkar's pre-wedding celebrations have taken social media by storm. As the couple gears up for their big day, fans are getting an exclusive look at the intimate family moments that have made the festivities even more special. The Kapoor family has officially entered wedding mode, and the viral photos and clips offer a glimpse into the love, laughter, traditions, and joyous celebrations taking place ahead of Anshula and Rohan's wedding. The pictures were shared by Anshula's aunt, Maheep Kapoor, who gave fans a sneak peek into the family gathering. The celebrations brought together several members of the Kapoor clan, making it a memorable occasion for everyone involved. Among those spotted in the viral photos were Arjun Kapoor, Janhvi Kapoor, Khushi Kapoor, Shanaya Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor, Maheep Kapoor, Jahan Kapoor, and several close friends and family members. While fans were delighted to see the family together, many also noticed the absence of Anil Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor, and Rhea Kapoor from the festivities. Bride-to-be Anshula Kapoor appeared radiant and happy throughout the celebrations. In the videos circulating online, she can be seen dancing with family members, sharing candid moments, and enjoying every second of the special occasion. Janhvi Kapoor and Shanaya Kapoor added glamour and energy to the festivities as they joined the celebrations with enthusiasm. Their cheerful presence became one of the highlights of the event. Meanwhile, Arjun Kapoor was seen embracing his role as the protective elder brother. Several clips show him actively participating in celebrations and spending quality time with family members. Sanjay Kapoor and Maheep Kapoor also stole the spotlight with their energetic dance performances. The duo was seen enjoying themselves as they celebrated their niece's upcoming wedding. The festivities began on a spiritual note, with Anshula and her fiancé Rohan Thakkar participating in religious rituals. Videos show the couple offering prayers before Mata Rani, performing Aarti, and seeking blessings from elders. The heartfelt ceremony added a traditional touch to the celebrations and marked the beginning of their wedding journey. Other clips captured family members singing, dancing, and creating unforgettable memories together. Anshula was also seen posing with her cousins and close friends, resulting in several heartwarming family photographs. According to reports, Anshula Kapoor and Rohan Thakkar are expected to tie the knot in the first week of July. For those unaware, the couple got engaged in 2025 after Rohan proposed to Anshula during a vacation. Before the wedding festivities, the Kapoor family had also organized a traditional God Dhana ceremony for Anshula. Now, as the wedding countdown begins, these unseen pictures and videos are winning hearts online and giving fans a closer look at one of Bollywood's most talked about family celebrations.
And finally, actor Shahid Kapoor is making headlines not only for Cocktail, his film release, but also for his stunning new home that's become the talk of B-Town. Now, Shahid and wife Meera Rajput have reportedly moved into an ultra-luxurious sea-facing residence in Mumbai, offering breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea as well as a host of high-end amenities. The sprawling property is set to feature expansive living spaces, floor-to-ceiling windows, private entertainment areas, and a design aesthetic that balances modern luxury with warmth and comfort. Social media has been buzzing over glimpses of the home that have surfaced online, with fans praising the interiors and the location. As one of Bollywood's most stylish and young couples, Shahid and Meera's new address is already being counted as among the most talked about celebrity homes in Mumbai. Take a look for yourself.
When Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput decided to build their dream home, they went all out. The Bollywood power couple owns a luxurious sea-facing duplex in Mumbai that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and modern design. The stunning property reportedly cost Shahid Kapoor 60 crore rupees, excluding an additional 2.91 crore rupees paid as stamp duty. Spread across a massive 8,625 square feet, the lavish duplex comes with 6 parking spaces and a spacious 500 square foot balcony. Shahid, Meera, and their children, Misha and Zain, currently live in this breathtaking residence. One of the most talked about spaces inside the home is the luxurious living room. Meera Rajput once shared a glimpse of the area on social media, where she was seen posing on a stylish sofa chair. The room features a huge paneled wall, elegant lighting fixtures, a massive abstract painting, a marble center table, and a white couch. The decor follows a sophisticated white and black color palette, complemented by warm lighting, statement mirrors, and modern wire chairs. The result is a space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. The large hall also includes a grand couch decorated with multiple cushions and flower vases. Adding to its charm, the room opens into a spacious balcony that fills the home with natural sunlight and offers spectacular views. The home also reflects the couple's personal journey together. One corner of the house features walls covered with Polaroid pictures capturing some of Shahid and Meera's most cherished memories. Decorative items like an hourglass, candles, a bicycle bookend, and exclusive artwork add warmth and personality to the space. One of the biggest highlights of the duplex is undoubtedly its stunning balcony. The property offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Arabian Sea and the iconic Bandravali Sea Link, making it one of Mumbai's most enviable celebrity homes. Another unique feature is Shahid Kapoor's impressive closet. The actor once shared a glimpse of his collection, especially his love for helmets. Posting a video from the closet, he wrote, "Hamlet's helmets," while showing off his extensive collection. The helmets are displayed inside a beautifully designed textured glass cabinet. Shahid revealed that the magic of automation at a click of the button reveals them. The stylish closet is further enhanced by elegant hanging lights. The dining area, located next to the balcony, offers stunning city views, while Meera has also shared glimpses of the kitchen and other corners of the home over the years. One of Meera's favorite spots in the house is her piano corner. She is often seen playing the piano, surrounded by a mini bookshelf and tasteful wall decor, creating a calm and creative atmosphere. Apart from owning a dream home, Shahid Kapoor is also known for his impressive collection of luxury vehicles. His garage reportedly includes Mercedes AMG S400, BMW 7 Series, Lexus 470, Mercedes GL Class, Porsche Cayenne GTS, Harley-Davidson Fatboy, Yamaha Metricton 01, and the luxurious Maybach S580. Together, Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput's Mumbai duplex is a perfect reflection of luxury, style, and family living.
And now, in a major boost for one of Bollywood's most anticipated action films, actor Ranbir Kapoor has reportedly shown his support for wife Alia Bhatt's upcoming film Alpha. The YRF spy universe thriller, also starring Sharvari Wagh, both of whom attended India's Got Latent. Though not part of the film, Ranbir's gesture has won over fans, with many praising the actor for backing his wife's big action outing. As Alia gears up for her first full-fledged action role, Alpha continues to generate buzz for its scale, action sequences, and hopefully a fresh storyline.
Ranbir Kapoor is once again winning hearts with his sweet gesture for wife Alia Bhatt. The actor recently stepped out in Mumbai wearing a special t-shirt that quickly grabbed the attention of fans and paparazzi. His outfit was not just a casual fashion choice, it was also a public show of support for Alia Bhatt and her upcoming film, Alpha. Photos and videos of Ranbir soon went viral on social media. Fans were quick to notice the message printed on his black t-shirt, which read, "My wife's an Alpha." The statement was a clear reference to Alia Bhatt's highly anticipated action thriller Alpha, which is set to release soon. The gesture impressed many fans who praised Ranbir for supporting his wife in such a simple yet meaningful way. Social media was filled with comments from people who loved seeing the actor cheer for Alia ahead of one of the biggest releases of her career. He wore the statement black t-shirt with matching sporty tracks, sunglasses, and a baseball cap. While the outfit itself was simple, it was the message on the t-shirt that became the main talking point online. Many fans shared their reaction on social media. One user commented, "Alia's biggest cheerleader," while another wrote, "I love the way these two support each other. They did same for each other at time of Gangubai and Animal 2. A third fan added, "The ultimate supportive husband move. They are just too cute together." The couple has often been admired for supporting each other's professional achievements. Whether it was Alia promoting Ranbir's film or Ranbir cheering for Alia's projects, the two have consistently shown encouragement for one another both publicly and privately. This latest gesture has once again reminded fans why they are considered one of Bollywood's most loved couples. Meanwhile, Alia Bhatt is busy preparing for the release of Alpha, one of the most awaited films of her career. The movie has already generated significant excitement among audiences, especially because it represents Alia in a powerful action-packed role unlike anything she has done before. The recently released trailer has further increased anticipation among fans. Social media has been buzzing with discussions about the film, with many praising the action sequences, intense storyline, and Alia's strong screen presence. Fans have been sharing their excitement and eagerly counting down to the film's release. According to the makers, Alpha tells the story of a young girl who is raised and trained to become a deadly killer. The film combines action, suspense, emotion, and drama, creating what promises to be an engaging cinematic experience. This story is expected to focus on two powerful female characters and their journeys, making it one of the most unique projects in the spy action genre. Apart from Alia Bhatt, the film also starred Sharvari, Anil Kapoor, and Bobby Deol in important roles. Directed by Shiv Ravel, Alpha is scheduled to release in theatres on July 3rd. As the countdown to Alpha continues, Ranbir Kapoor's thoughtful gesture has only added to the excitement. His "My Wife's an Alpha" t-shirt has become a viral moment, proving once again that he is proudly standing by Alia Bhatt as the biggest supporter ahead of the film's much-awaited release.
And that's all for today. Keep watching eNow Monday to Friday at 2:30 p.m. only on Times Now for a wrap on all the hype worth your time. Until next time, I am Shreya Srivastava. Thanks and goodbye.